Dear veterinarian, welcome to a new section on question bank. In short, we mention question bank as QB. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor in Veterinary Medicine. We have chosen first the parasitology section. Now we are selecting the another subject, microbiology. In this question bank 1, we will display 25 question bank type of question. This can be asked in many ways. Just I have mentioned only few words. Like this, second will be QB2 microbiology. Like this, total there will be 100 questions in each subject initially. Then my plan is to give you at least 500 questions which are commonly asked in the examination, and I am giving guarantee you that 80% questions will be from this question sets. Question 1: tumor induced by Mareks disease virus. Answer: it is generally a lymphoma type of tumors. Question 2: disease in which splenomegaly observed in cattle. The spleen increased to a great extent. Characteristic of that disease. This is a frequently asked question in medicine as well as microbiology as well as pathology also. Answer is anthrax. Very, very important question. Question 3: organisms tested by Hotis test for mastitis. In Hotis test for mastitis, the organisms tested is answer Streptococci agalactiae. Question 4: cause of undulant fever in man. Important question. Undulant fever, the low grade fever occurring for a long time is undulant fever in man. Very common question, very common disease also. And the organism are Brucella abortus. The name of disease is brucellosis. Very frequently asked question. The condition required for toxin production in Clostridium tetani in animals. Frequently asked question. Answer is anaerobic condition. If the wound is very superficial, which has an aerobic condition, this Clostridia tetani will not produce toxin. But when there is deep wound or when there is necrosis of tissue, that produces anaerobic condition, and that favors the organism Clostridium tetani to produce toxin, and they produce a exotoxin and serious disease. Question 6: domestic animal naturally resistant to tuberculosis. Important question. The name of animal horse. Horse is naturally resistant to tuberculosis. Of course, in the world, very few cases are observed, but horse is naturally resistant. Frequently asked question. Question 7. Name bacteria produce gas in milk. These bacteria is present in the milk normally also, and they produce a gas in milk. The name of the bacteria is answer Staphylococcus aureus. Question 8. Name important Clostridia possesses capsule. Which Clostridia possess capsule? And that is also very important also, that Clostridia. Answer is Clostridium perfringens, very commonly found. Question 9. Name blood cells which secretes antibody. Important question. Answer: macrophages secretes antibodies and they are responsible for this humoral response in the body. Question 10. Cause of enterotoxemia in sheep. Important question, frequently asked question. Answer: Clostridium welsii type C causes enterotoxemia in sheep. Question 11. Type of cells which cause humoral response in body. Answer is B cells. They are producing humoral response in the body. Question 12. Autotrophs. The word auto means self. Trop मतलब कि tropism. Autotrophs organisms. Answer is an organism capable of synthesizing its own food from the inorganic substances using light or chemical as an energy, and they grow in this inorganic substances, that is autotrophs. Question 13. First control measure applied in the face of outbreak of pestilence. Important and frequently asked question. Answer: vaccination is a tool applied first and most commonly at the face of outbreak of pestilence. Question 14. Serratia produce which pigment? Answer: prodigiosin is the name of pigment that is produced by Serratia species. Question 15. Management action to prevent cholesepticemia in cows. Important question. Answer is timely and sufficient colostrum feeding to the cows helps in prevention of cholesepticemia. A important question from exam point of view, important for the field veterinarians also. If colostrum is fed timely within first 6 hours of life or after birth, and sufficient means 10% of the body weight, they causes raise in the level of immunoglobulin in the blood of the cows, and that helps in prevention of cholesepticemia. So this action is very important for the prevention of cholesepticemia and the mortality in the cows. Question 16. Name strain of E. coli that causes diarrhea in piglets. Answer is K188. K88. Frequently asked question. Question 17. Clostridium produce which toxin? Endotoxin or exotoxin? Frequently asked question. Answer is exotoxin. Question 18. Depth of ultraviolet rays enters in water for purification. So for the purification of water, we have to apply ultraviolet rays. How much depth it enters into the water? The answer is only 1.5 meters. Beyond that it will not reach. It will not purify the water. Question 19. Name sugar for brucella present in testicular tissue? The answer is erythritol. The brucella consumes sugar, name is erythritol, and because of this erythritol sugar, the brucella grow and multiply in testicular tissue, and it produces orchitis in male animals. So wherever there is erythritol, even in placenta also, in uterus also, this brucella will grow and multiply. Question 20. Genus pathogenic bacteria which have a high salt tolerance. Answer is Staphylococci. Question 21. Phase receptor site present in which part of bacterial cell? Answer is cell wall. This cell wall contains phase receptor site. Important question. Question 22. Selective medium. Define it. What is called selective medium? Answer is generally selects for the growth of a desired organism. It will grow only desired organism. Second thing, stopping the growth of or altogether killing of non-desired organism. This selective medium will not allow growth of non-desired organism, and they kill also. Question 23 is scientist Robert Koch. Robert Koch is a father of bacteriology. Important question. Question 24. Serum showing the highest level of which immunoglobulin? There are many immunoglobulins. Which immunoglobulin is present in highest number in the serum? Answer is immunoglobulin G. Question 25. A very common field test carried out for the diagnosis of Pseudomonas. The answer is Malin test. This is important question for the diagnosis of glandar and falci in the horse. This common field test is used for the diagnosis of glandar and falci in horse. Important question, frequently asked questions. Friends, here I have narrated very important questions requested to provide service to the field veterinarians and other veterinarians. To promote the channel, requested to subscribe this channel. We are getting overwhelming response also. Thank you very much for observing this video. Thanks.